Hi, and welcome to another Fit for Purpose product presentation. In this segment, we'll be talking about cabinet flat door hardware. Let's talk about EvoLift, an economical lift system for overhead cabinet doors. EvoLift is designed and made in Italy by Salice, who have been around since 1957. EvoLift is easy to use. This unit, as you can see, is for a cabinet door with a single panel. There is also an EvoLift model for a door that's a bifold panel, hinged across the middle. EvoLift can also be used on doors that are aluminium framed rather than solid panels. EvoLift comes as a left side or right side option, and if your door is particularly heavy, you can install one of each. EvoLift also has great adjustment. You can adjust the soft close decelerating effect, you can adjust the opening angle from 80 to 92 degrees, and you can adjust the strength of the spring mechanism. Now, a couple of extra points for the kitchen makers and cabinet makers out there. EvoLift comes as a one-code kit for your convenience. The kit contains everything you need, including a drilling template,